I never thought that the value of waste plastics could be as much as gold. In order to allow Pakistanis to use affordable and durable shopping belts, this leading company specializing in waste plastic recycling uses various waste plastic films recycled locally to produce cheap and exquisite plastic shopping belts. The waste plastic films just brought back from the waste station are also the raw materials for the production of shopping belts. First, workers need to transfer them to the sub-assembly center on the rooftop. Has some plastics of other materials in the film, so here it needs to be cut and processed, and then the tape and other impurities on the film are carefully removed to ensure the purity of the raw material. Next, the cut plastic film needs to be pulled into a large hole on the side. Although they do not have a special conveyor, this can transfer the plastic to the next processing site with the least effort. Then the workers need to move the plastic film. Put it into the crusher, and the crusher will quickly break it into small pieces. Although this worker, the plastic fragments after crushing will be driven by the bare rod at the bottom of the crusher and sent to the cleaning tank. The plastic fragments are first cleaned with detergent. Then the fragments will enter the rinsing tank and be rinsed by the impeller. After the operation, the plastic fragments will be transferred to the water storage machine by the screw rod. After squeezing and storing water, the blower will blow it into the pipeline to completely remove the water inside. However, the plastic fragments treated in this way are still not fine enough. In order to make the plastic more evenly mixed and fine, it is necessary to put it into the crusher for secondary crushing. After the crushing is completed, the workers will pour the plastic fragments into the extruder. The plastic fragments entering the extruder will be squeezed by the bare rod and heated by the temperature control of the barrel. The sol will be turned into rubber strips. Then when the rubber strips are quickly cooled by the cooling pool, they can be passed into the crusher and crushed into plastic particles. Small workshops will start using this recycled granular material directly, but the products of leading enterprises are not so casual. In order to improve the plastic, to improve the quality of the finished plastic product, workers will add a suitable proportion of new material and master batch to the prepared plastic pellet. Next, the plastic pellets need to be poured into a blow molding machine. Its working principle is similar to that of an extruder, except that a special annular extrusion female head is used. At the same time, compressed air is injected into the center of the female head so that the manufactured ladder can expand into a. After the plastic film cools down and sets, the film can be flattened into a double layer and then rolled up by the reel. The worker will then install the rolled film on the printing machine. Here, the plastic film will be guided by multiple rollers and printed on both sides by the printing wheel. The carefully customized pattern will be baked with hot air so that the pigment can be quickly solidified. After the pattern is printed, the worker will print the printed film on the printing machine. The brushed plastic film is installed on the tape placing machine. Here, the main thing is to first use the knife head to cut the mobile phone port of the shopping tape on the plastic film, and then use the heated blade to seal and cut the plastic film. In this way, standard plastic shopping tapes can be produced year after year. You should know that in Pakistan, such high-quality shopping tapes are only used by specialty stores.